In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Google Meet link for any future meeting. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Meet. Open your web browser and type meet.google.com. This will take you straight to the Google Meet homepage. Step 2. Create a future meeting link. Click New Meeting. Then choose Create a Meeting for Later. Google Meet will instantly generate a unique meeting link for you, something like meet.google.com/abcxyz123. Simply copy this link and share it with your friends, classmates, or colleagues through email, WhatsApp, or any messaging app you prefer. Step 3. How others join the meeting. Once your participants receive the link, they can go to meet.google.com, paste the link into the Enter a Code or Link box, and click Join. Step 4. Adjust your settings before joining. Before you enter the meeting room, Google Meet lets you fine-tune a few things. Turn your microphone on or off. Turn your camera on or off. Change your background or add visual effects. Check your speaker, microphone, or camera, especially if you're using external devices. Make sure everything looks and sounds good. Step 5. Join the meeting. Once you're ready, click Join Now and you're officially in the meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.